Dark mode makes the web content easier to read and is gaining popularity among current internet users. You can also make sure that your website supports dark mode so that visitors remain on your site for a longer time. The dark mode is great for those with eye problems and people with night blindness. It also improves contrast on computer screens and makes it easier to see. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to enable dark mode support for your WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Once you are on your WordPress dashboard, in the left sidebar, you have to go to Appearance, and from there you need to go to Customize. Once you go to customize, a window like such would start to appear. Now keep in mind that colors in dark mode might not appear with some of the themes that you might have installed. The other way to go about it would be to install another plugin, that is the WP dark mode plugin. We'll get into it a little later. But for now, if you have this theme or if your theme supports the dark mode, this is how you go ahead with it. So you would see colors in dark mode right here in the left hand side, and you just need to go to colors in dark mode and click on dark mode support. Publish this. And there you go. Dark mode on would start to appear, like this button over here would start to appear in the bottom right hand corner. And we just need to click on this cross to go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now visit your site and check out your dark mode website. And there you go. You have successfully turned on the dark mode support for your WordPress website. And if your theme does not support the dark mode, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins. Add a new plugin from your left sidebar. And just search for a dark mode plugin. There you go. There's WP dark mode, and we can just go ahead with that. You can click on install now. Once the installation is complete, click on activate. Awesome. Now, as you can see in your general settings, you will have enabled front-end dark mode, back-end dark mode, and all of these other things that you can just go ahead and just explore on your own a little bit. But if you turn this on, turn on to enable the dark mode in the front, and you'll be good to go. So let's change the theme and check if it's working or not. Just go ahead and change the theme real quick. All right, so for example, I think with Generate Press, it does not support. Let me see, I'll just activate this. Go back to my plugins, installed plugins. And all right, settings from here. And yeah, this is turned on. Let's look at our website. So you can see that we have successfully enabled dark mode for a theme that does not support dark mode without a plugin. Now, as you can see in the bottom right corner, there's this night mode that shows, right? If you click here, it will disable the dark mode for the visitor that has visited your website. And if it clicks on night mode, it again enables it. So there you go. We have successfully enabled dark mode for a theme that supports it and for a theme that needs a plugin to support the dark mode. Hope you guys were able to enable the dark mode for your WordPress website as well. I will be coming up with a lot of WordPress related videos, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, any queries, or any other video that you would like to see on the Learn Today channel, feel free to put it in the comment section down below. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.